Good morning from the Ambrosia Homestead. I was just going to do my own log here, Captain's log, August 4th, whatnot. I need to get some of these sticks into a pile. They used to be in a pile. This will be some of our firewood. I need to get the riding lawnmower up here and need to get the chainsaw up here. Take care of some maintenance of our field and also the riding lawnmower in the chicken field, just to clear away space for grass to grow, which our animals will need this fall. And I brought the chickens way up here with feed because I hope this is not too bad of an idea, but we'll see. I want to get them to branch out. They've never really been up here, and they've been here for over a year, and you know, they need to spread out. They want to get bugs. They can't just sit there and wait for us to bring feed. These are free-range chickens, so that's kind of how we're training them. Hopefully they find their way back. I mean, this is about 200 yards from where they're normally at, but the idea is they'll work their way back to the coop to lay, and I might have some extra feed down here because we were short on scraps. It's just me now for now, and yep, it's a beautiful morning. Just out doing some chores. There was I think I disturbed some quail right over here when I was walking up with the feed. But yeah, just a pleasant morning. Thought I'd just go ahead and get started early since I was awake, and I don't think I can get back to sleep earlier. So. Oh yeah, another note is I need to get in here with a shovel, get these cattail out of here, out of our watering hole. Yep, within the next couple of days. Look at this little guy making its own little sound. Good morning, guy. You have a unique sound. Oh, there he went. Oh, going in circles around me. Okay. Oh, he wants to come close. Hey, good morning. Now he's on the fence again. Kind of flew around me to the backside of me, checked me out, and went back. That's a pretty bird. I'm going to try to get a close-up of him. Nope, there he went. Man, pretty yellow. Try to zoom in there. Yeah, he had his own little sound. Let me know if you guys know what kind of bird that was. I need to do some watering hole maintenance. Get some cattails out of here. They'll take over. I don't even know how they came in the first place. It was just a small clump, and suddenly it's a big clump. So we're going to put a stop to that. Post any tips in the comment. We've been homesteading a while, but I haven't dealt, with everything. Of course, we've been on the road for a few years mostly, but we were homesteading before that. Yeah, this little chicken didn't get the memo. This little hen over here. Get some more feed down in this area too.